Good afternoon po sa lahat. Yeah, I'm Gigi Bugna, Sharon Rose Master. To all our guests, Sir Eric and our VIPs, all the center heads, those in Baguio Cap Center and Cebu Dream Center, and all those watching online, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Allow me to introduce myself and my family. I am Gigi from Taal, Batangas, now residing in Parañaque. And I am also a senior citizen, 63 years old na po. Yeah. I'm happily married to Nono Bugna, my husband over there. Yan o. And we have 3 children, 2 physicians, and 1 is into business. They are all married now, and we have 5 grandchildren. Our 2 daughters are also now diamond masters. Oh. Yan po talaga ang Atomy business. You grow with your family. I am doing Atomy because of my family. Actually, before pa po mag-join ang career ko, I am also like ordinary, just like an ordinary person. My high school days, elementary days, mahirap din po kami. Nagtinda po ako ng sigarilyo sa palengke during my elementary days. And high school days naman po, nag-join ako sa library, working student, para makatapos ng high school. And sa college, nag-work din po ako as librarian, assistant librarian at the University of the East. So habang nagtatrabaho, kailangang mag-aral, and luckily, natapos ko po ang accounting profession. So I am now a CPA by profession, a certified public accountant. I have worked for almost 25 years in auditing, mostly in international organizations like USAID and Foster Parents Plan International, an international humanitarian organization. Though I retired at age 46. Currently, I am connected with 6 companies. 2 are owned. Intelitech, which is a software development company, and we are into rentals also. iNet Asia Technological School, which is a TESDA accredited school. Then I'm partnering with my peers in Synergos, a manpower and business outsourcing company. We also have 2 cooperatives, the Kabuklod Credit Cooperative and a transport cooperative, which is Green Earth Transport Cooperative. And we have our own educational foundation, the Kabuklod Foundation International. Okay. So I met Atomy through my sister, who is based in Abu Dhabi. So I'm truly thankful to my sister, Jay Sindak, and DM, they are both DMs, and DM Ruel Sindak, for introducing Atomy to me. Of course, equally and forever thankful to my husband, Nono, for supporting me and our team all the way. With his brilliant mind and careful actions, he is leading us every step of the way. So here's a glimpse of my life scenario with Atomy. In 2016, Atomy was introduced to me, 2016. I think this is in BF Homes, where we are having our Kabuklod Foundation, Inc. But I did not, I said a big no to Atomy being a network company. I said no, stop na kami sa networking. So walang nangyari. Sabi nga nila, wag nang pansinin kasi mahirap ang networking. 2021, my sister Jay called kasi sabi niya, oh, ate, I have thousands of members on my leg, one leg, and all coming from Cambodia. So I said, I think this was shared by the FLC group. A team went to Cambodia, and luckily my sister was registered, and many Cambodian members were registered under her. However, she has no member on one leg. So she has almost 10 million points or 15 million points on one leg and nothing on the other leg. So sabi niya, ate, let's register you and our family members. So I said, I really don't like networking. But still, she registered me. She registered me and all other members. So sabi niya, isama mo na yung mga anak mo. So even they are doctors, I registered my children and my family members, my siblings, sama-sama kami. In 2022, when she came back from Abu Dhabi, she invited us to Success Academy. So I said, okay, sige, join lang. And I met a lot of friends, the FLC group, headed by Sir Renz and Ma'am Nori and Ma'am Zell. Enjoy kami, drive to Clark, okay, let's go to the Success Academy. Na-curious ako So in October 2022, I had my first purchase. My first purchase was a collagen. I said, I want collagen because I want to go to Iloilo and climb that 500 step, parang bundok yata yun eh. No? So I tried it and yes, my knees were so strong that I was able to finish the track. Natapos kong maglakad dun sa mataas na bundok na yon. And I think after 3 Success Academies, I realized I want to do the business. I want to do the business after hearing a lot of things in Success Academy. So December 22, we were invited to do the challenge, and we made it. Roughly 6 months, 3 months, we made it as a sales master, December 2022. But after a year, the more challenges came, and so much development there were so much development, and on December 23, we were promoted to Sharon Rose Master. So it takes really discipline. It takes really discipline. So ano ba ang nagano sa akin, ang nag-provoke sa akin? It's curiosity. My nerves and my senses were awakened. I asked myself, ano ba talaga ang Atomy? That's why takbo tayo sa Success Academy. So even before attending Success Academies, every night after office, pagtutulog na, I watched videos, Atomy videos. I went to the YouTube channel ng Atomy. I watched the chairman's videos and all the successful leaders. The company profile, many times ko na yung pinanood. I really watched the other videos like that of Ma'am Dinas, Ma'am Nori, Sir Renz videos, and other leaders. Sabi ko, ang galing nila. So talagang nakaka-touch. So if you want to know more about Atomy, you try clicking our videos, and you will learn a lot. Pero I also ask myself, what do I really want? Do I want to be a consumer? Consumer lang? Purchase 1 or 2 items? Or do I want to be a VIP consumer? VIP ako kasi, wow, bonggang mamili. Ang daming mamili, pero bili lang ng bili. Nag-i-enjoy ako sa mga products. Or I want to do the business kahit part-time because of the companies we have. Gawin ko kaya itong part-time. It's very useful for me and very easy for me to do business, for us to do business because of the companies we have. So we have some connections. We have people who are, we have clients, so we can easily share the Atomy business. So, doon talaga ako nag-start. I started buying one, then big time purchaser na, big time consumer na. Aba ngayon, I realize I am doing the business na pala. No? So, sabi ko nga, attending Success Academies several times, ito ang game changer. Talagang mag-change yung mind mo. I witnessed the truth. Nasabi, legit pala talaga ang Atomy. Maraming nagtatanong, totoo ba yan? So, ang sagot natin, legit ito. Umattend kayo ng ODS, ng Success Academies, and you will hear that Atomy is really a legitimate business. Dito rin sa Success Academy, I heard our chairman talk for almost 3 to 4 hours straight. Grabe, walang tayuan. Ang mga guests, walang tayuan. Si chairman, nakaupo din, 3 to 4 hours talking about Atomy. What a great leader. So brilliant. Talagang napakatalino ng ating chairman. So after Success Academies, ituloy natin ang pag-attend sa mga ODS, sa mga center meetings, sa mga leaders meetings. Ang one-day seminar is a smaller version of, like what we have now, is just a smaller version ng Success Academy. No? But you will hear everything from the company introduction, from our compensation plan, the testimonies. So, this is just more intimate kasi you get much closer with our leaders. No? So, okay. This one naman, I think we've heard about our compensation plan, why we have to join Atomy. This is small ad. Favorite ko ito eh. Kung sino man ang gumawa, thank you very much because I keep sharing that small ad. Every time I invite friends, pag sinabi kong, hoy, tingnan mo naman yung Atomy. So, I share that small ad because it says almost everything. Sabi nga, networking business is different. No membership fee, etc., no registration fee. Sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Julie Ann. That was really great, no? The compensation plan, nasabi rin niya, it was sobrang makatao. Righteous. It is run like a cooperative. Sobra pa nga kasi after deducting company expenses, all income are distributed every 15 days. Di ba parang cooperative ang cooperative nga eh. After a year pa. Basta na-hit ng system, ang inyong pairing, ang inyong challenge, inyong promotion, ibibigay ng Atomy system ang ating awards. 44% agad goes to the general consumers. Parang cooperative. Talagang balik kita doon sa mga members. And kaya ito ang inyong passive income. So every Tuesday, Atomy pays the qualified members. Regularly, walang palya. Okay? And then, the living testimonies. Narinig din natin kanina, ang daming, may dalawang nagbigay ng testimony. We heard them. I would like to add my family kasi ito yung nagpa-change sa amin. Bakit nag-join kami ng Atomy? My friends, we have a friend, Max Bales, who was suffering from psoriasis. napagaling ng Hemohim. Yes, so si Ma'am Nelia Ponce de Leon, I think she's here. Ma'am Nelia, siya rin ay nagsuffer for almost 3 years ng allergies and now she's gone, 6 years ng allergies. And because of Atomy, only 1 month gone. No? Aside from the beauty products na sineshare niya talaga yung ganda ng Atomy beauty products. Sabi nga niya, she is 64 years old but she only looks like 46 years old. Parang similar to our crown master here. Very young face, very beautiful face here because of the Atomy beauty products. No? So let's patronize our beauty products. There's also my husband, nanobog na. Yung kanyang face, naging game changer yung face na yan sa amin sa Atomy. Palaging napapansin ang kanyang very soft and smooth face. Kasama na rin yung psoriasis, na little psoriasis sa back niya at saka dito sa my stomach. It's all gone now because of taking Hemohim. Thank you, yes. So, you will never be ashamed of sharing Atomy. Meron din pala kaming mga friends sa Iloilo. Sa Iloilo, he was suffering from colon cancer. Hindi makadumi for months and months and months. When we gave him 2 boxes muna of Hemohim, in one week time, ang galing, talagang tanggal and wala na. When we came back after a month, nagkakarpintero na. Dati talagang hinihintay lang na, wag namang anuhin, parang may hinihintay na lang ang family dahil binibigyan na lang nila ng pain relievers. But after taking Hemohim, grabe, he is really thankful to Atomy and to Hemohim. Meron din kaming sa Tagaytay, sa Batangas, na-invite kami ng aking mga high school friends. You know, Atomy is a very good reason why not meet your friends and your barkadas, no? You always have a good topic to share. When I had my meeting, small kita-kita with my friends, high school friends in Tagaytay, of course, napansin nila si Nono, ang kinis ng mukha. And then they started to become curious. And then we started talking about Atomy. And then they started buying, using, sharing. And now 2 of them are also sales master in Batangas. No? So, ang galing po nila, yes. So, there are other reasons why not to choose Atomy. Sabi nga, the people behind the organization are very professional, all brilliant, and very good in running the business, especially our very own chairman. It's also easy to do the business. Sabi nga natin, the products are daily necessities. Kinuwento ni chairman, no, na sa Azamol ba yun? Azamol. Parang, I hope in the Philippines, we also have this Azamol. You can buy refrigerator, vegetables, cars, beddings, beds. Sana it's also here in the Philippines. But that's why in Korea, it's so easy to get points because all the products are available. Sana they consider bringing more and more products in the Philippines. No? There's also 100 refund and exchange system. Pero I heard, wala namang nagre-refund, wala namang nag-e-exchange. 0% ang ratio. Nasabi rin natin kanina, infinite levels of members. No, meron tayong member, napamember mo ang isa sa US, magugulat ka na lang. Wow, nag-branch out na. Ang dami na niyang napamember sa US. So we have in Canada, in New Zealand, in Rome, medyo talagang mabilis dumami ang membership. And of course, Atomy is a global business with 27 branches across the globe. Saan ka pa? Ang iyong online business is global. global, napakaganda, no? And I also particularly like it's a technologically advanced system. Napakagaling ng kanilang system, di ba? Isang click mo lang, andyan lahat. Never nagkaroon ng mga glitches. I think in my 2 years in Atomy, parang hindi pa naghang ang ating Atomy system. No? So, okay. And what I particularly like about Atomy is the desire of the leaders for its members to have a balanced life. He, our chairman, expects every member that through Atomy, our flesh, soul, spirit, and environment will be served. That we live well. That we live well like owning a house or a car or improvement kung meron na. Upgrading them kung meron na tayo. That we learn a lot. Here's the educational system. Nandito ang ODS, ang success academies, ang center meetings, the travel opportunities that will give us learnings, more learnings. That we love, focus on our families and loved ones. Palagi yan ang nasa isip ng ating chairman and Atomy leaders. That we love our family. We're doing this because of our family. And that we contribute to satisfy the environment. Meron naman tayo dapat na payback time. No, we have to give back to our environment. Not necessarily the environment, but there are many foundations, many humanitarian organizations that we can connect with to pay back. And we have reached our, I think, the peak of our careers, maybe the best time to pay back. Okay? So, sige, next, John. So, sabi ko nga, we did it in 2022 and 2023 as Sharon Rose Master. Also, the Wellness and Beauty Makati Center was born in November of 2023. Right time before we became Sharon Rose Masters. December 22 was the first time to join the challenge because there was good timing, Christmas season, daming pang-gifts. I felt I belong kasi the FLC group was like a family. Meetings, sharing, eating, traveling. This is the time that I really felt the warmth of friendship. When invited my high school friends, hindi lang rekindling of memories. Listening to our stories, talagang this will always be the start of Atomy journey. Daldal lang ng daldal, share lang ng share, kwento lang ng kwento. Sabi nga, di ba? Talk, share, eat together. Lagi na lang tayong wag nang meeting, we eat together. So, people will believe because they have witnessed the beauty at Atomy. Okay? So, ayan, success. Of course, to succeed, we have to have a successful team. Sabi nga dito, a successful team is a group of many hands but of one mind. So dapat, isa lang ang ating direction. A successful team is a group of many hands. Of course, we need the members, but of one mind. Okay? So cheers to our FLC Makati team. The challenge was a big success. Many were running, of course, this time. Many are running for challenge. Good luck to all, including us. Nagcha-challenge po tayo, so good luck to us. So in this presentation, we have here ourselves, Sharon Rose Master. We have our 4 Diamond Masters and 13 Sales Master during the December 2023 promotion. Okay. Next slide. Okay. This time, of course, we are now leaders. When you become member and you run the business, you become leaders. So I would like to share some notes on running a team, especially during challenge. Leaders or running a team, please take note. Empathy with patience. We have to understand our team's concerns. Listen attentively to their concerns and support them. Be happy with them if they have small wins. Be appreciative because empathy will build trust. Importante po yung we are on their shoes. Naiintindihan natin sila. Because if we understand them, the trust will be built. No? Importante ang trust sa bawat isa. Huwag natin sisirain ang trust ng every member and everyone around included among our team. Second is clear communication. If you are running or doing something, a project or this challenge, let us set clear expectations. We have to define our roles and ensure every member understand our role. Ano ba ang contribution namin? Ano ba ang gagawin namin? Ako ba magiging code? Ako ba bibili? Ako ba consumer? Ako ba lalabas? So, gano'n, no? So, regular checking and being transparent will keep everyone aligned to the vision of the team, to the goal of the team. Adaptability. There are sometimes unforeseen roadblocks. A team member went absent. Halimbawa, nung nagcha-challenge ka, tapos kailangan mo yung member, biglang nawala. We have to be adaptable to change. Be ready for backups and keep the team morale high. Mahirap mong mag-challenge. We have to be flexible and resilient. No? Of course, we have to lead by example. Go out with your members when necessary. Wag lang hintay na may darating na consumer. Go out, go out, go out. They will follow what you are doing. Roll up your sleeves and work with them. Inspire them and they will give you the best. Kung meron naman tayong leader na walang ginawa kundi mag-demand, mag-delegate, you will never be inspired and you will not probably cooperate. No? So inspire them. Conflict resolution, a leader must know how to resolve conflicts. Sometimes may mga disagreements. Mainit na yung ulo, hindi ko na kaya. Have open discussion. Sometimes masakit pa yung nasasabi o nabibitawan natin. Well, have open discussions, encourage constructive feedbacking, and find win-win solutions. You will see positive results when handled very well. Of course, we also have to celebrate wins. Kung may konting, na-meet natin ang we are closer to the final destination. Let's celebrate these wins. Recognize their achievements, even small ones. This will boost their morale. Share credit when credit is due. And recognize everyone's contribution to the team. Everyone will be happy. Keep them happy, Okay, so these personal leadership skills will account for your management skills. You are a leader. Can you manage your team well? So, the picture here is my favorite. This is the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. It summarizes the must-dos or must-haves in managing teams. All of these are what constitute total quality management. If you are an organization, you exercise quality management, not just looking at yourself, but looking at the total team, total organization. So what do we do? Number 1 is being proactive. Focus on the circle of influence. Who's helping? Who's not helping? Whom do I give more attention? Focus on those circle of influence para mas mabilis ang Kung nandun kayo sa, ay naku, ang dami niyang problema, hindi na kayo makakaalis, kundi solve na lang kayo ng problem niya. So focus on those who have influence. The responsibility of your reactions or actions will be your experience. If you are good at that, it's so easy to solve problems. Second is to begin with the end in mind. What do I really want to achieve? What does the team want to achieve? And what are my values? How do I want to be remembered? No? So, kailangan meron tayong, ano ba ang gusto kong marating at the end of this journey? Well, I want to be an imperial master, so kailangan clear ang aking mga values. Okay, first things first. Second trait, organize. Do time management. Nagra-rush na tayo. 2 weeks to go. 2 hours na lang pala. Hindi na 2 weeks. 2 hours na lang pala. 2 days na lang pala. Let's think, what are the priorities? What is more important? And what can I do later? Ano ma'am, let's do something that will give us an accomplishment. Okay? Then think win-win. What is beneficial to both of us? To everyone. No one should be left behind in this endeavor. No? So think of our members, not just ourselves. Seek first to understand what is to be understood. Listen, listen, and listen. For if you are listening carefully, this will create a caring environment and problem-solving environment. Pag nakikinig, nagkakaintindihan. Pag may problema, solusyonan natin together. Pag hindi natin kaya, stop. Pagka kayang-kaya pa, go. Okay? And of course, the last is to sharpen the saw. Continuous improvement ito. Self-renewal on 4 areas, mentally, physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Sharpen the saw, no? So add to this is continuous improvement, or kaizen in Japanese. Not just self-improvement, but on work habits as well. Our daily processes, attendance to meetings. Sabi nga ni Star Master, are you late or will never be late again? No? So kailangan maging conscious tayo. Time management and teamwork. In teamwork, are you a team leader or a member? No, ilagay mo. Normally, you will be a leader at your own expertise. Kahit group yan, kahit yan all members, all leaders, one of them will always shine as a true leader. So, ikaw ba yon? Ikaw ba ang magiging true leader? Okay? Sige. So, going back to why I chose Atomy, you can always dream or plan for your retirement. Wait. Move ko. Okay. So, andito na ako sa ating retirement. At 46, sabi ko nga, nag-retire na kami. Pero hindi naman yun. Retirement lang yun from employment. Retirement lang yun from employment. But still active in business. So this is our dream. It's actually written in our life scenario, and I think everybody should be writing their own life scenario as well. So we want to do more travels together, upgrade our vehicle, and hopefully build a commercial building where Atomy, distribution, local, can also be present in our building. Lalaki kami. Okay. So, traveling, we have been traveling actually with our profession as international auditors. We have been to several countries already, like siguro more than 20 countries already, South Africa, the North America, South America, the Asia, of course, naikot ng lahat yung mga yan. But of course, with Atomy, we want to travel where we have not been to. We have not been to Korea, kahit na Sharon Master. So hopefully, makasama rin kami ngayon sa Korean tour in October. That's the prize from Atomy. So hopefully everybody will experience the same thing. Okay? So this is my real, ito naman ang aking, next. Ito naman ang aking real motivation in Atomy. We are working hard to achieve higher mastership so that we can bequeath to our grandchildren our pamana or inheritance, making sure our children, even if they will be gainfully employed in their profession, will still have passive income from Atomy and will achieve higher status in terms of mastership. That's why tuloy-tuloy lang po kami para, alam nyo na, para ang ating mga apo, we have 5 apos, sana ito na ang aming pamana sa kanila. Okay. Okay. Ito naman yung sinasabi nating giving back na. Atomy life expectation for us is to contribute to the environment. While doing Atomy, think and do giving back. For us, we dream of living a worthy life by sharing and spending more time with our extended family or organizations like Kids Haven. Kids Haven is a haven for abandoned children and the elderlies. No, this is based in Batangas, in Lipa City. And we also have the Kabuklod Credit Cooperative where we want to expand and invite more members to join our cooperative in Parañaque. Yes, and the Kabuklod Foundation is an educational foundation. So we also have scholars. Nakapagpatapos na po kami ng isang pari, isang priest, and engineers, and hopefully engineer actually, and iba naman ay mga still studying. And we have INET Asia in Technological School, our very own TESDA accredited school in San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. And we have partnered with the Department of Education as well for the senior high graduates for their scholarship. And almost every year, medyo hundreds or 200 at most ang ating napapaaral through the scholarship program also of the government, TESDA. So hopefully, we, through Atomy, will also be able to contribute to these 4 organizations. Nasa roadmap po namin yan. Okay? So, giving back. Sana tayo rin lahat po, no? Okay. And, oops. In Atomy, why we are doing Atomy is because our ultimate mission is the success of all our business partners. I think ito rin naman ang gusto, ito ang gusto talaga ng ating chairman and all the leaders there in the international headquarters. The success of all Atomy members. So with my team, we will grow together. And in doing so, let us remember the fruits of the Holy Spirit, all written in our Bible. Because Atomy business is a relationship business, let us always be inspired by these 9 fruits for our body and soul. This is love, peace, faithfulness, joy, goodness, gentleness, patience, self-control, and kindness. Let us always keep this in mind in everything that we do because these are all written and this is all God's love. I have read this halfway in the Atomy DNA book. There's so much discussion about love and goodness. So ituloy lang po natin if you can get a copy of the DNA book. It's really worth reading. So I will end my sharing here and I hope we are inspired and will always keep in our hearts the 9 fruits of the Holy Spirit. Thank you once again. I am Gigi Bugna, Sharon Rose Master.